Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
To who?
Happy birthday, dear Grady. Happy birthday to you.
Stand up. Okay, you get to make a wish. Oh.
All right. Yay. Give him 5, Henry.
Yay!
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's cut the cake.
Oh,
Oh, no, don't touch it.
Okay, Mama's gonna get a knife and cut it.
We're gonna make some
right?
slices.
Okay.
Oh, what a year of difference.
I know. I gotcha. Yeah.
A restraint is.
I can't wait until it is 4. When it's 4? Whatever.